What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error code 304, or Roblox has detected missing or corrupted files. So this usually happens on your Android or iOS device. There's a few ways to fix this. This can maybe happen on Windows, but this usually happens because you're trying to use another third-party app or something to basically make this do something in Roblox. Like it could be I don't want to say cheating, but it could be whatever, right? An additional app which is I don't believe allowed by Roblox, which could be causing these files to go missing or errors to occur. So the best way to basically fix this error is to first log out and then log back in. A lot of times all these types of error usually go away once you log out and log back in. The next thing you want to do to basically make this error go away, if this does not work, is to basically uninstall the app on your iOS or Android device and then reinstall Roblox again and see if that fixes it for you. If that does not fix it, the next thing you need to do is you might need to do a hard reset on your phone, basically formatting it, because a lot of times there's some cache files that get left over even if you uninstall it. So you basically need to do that to make this go away. Again, it's gonna suck because you're gonna delete everything off your phone, but that might be your final option to do to make this error go away. Once you guys follow these steps, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash that like button. If you guys are in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that more tutorials out. Peace.